Hello, River Pines coming to you. This is Matthew. We have a new product we're offering for sale, and this is called refuge soil. And it consists of worm casting, worm eggs, and peat. This is some really nice quality stuff. Have a nice look at it there. So there's actually worm eggs in this, and they stay dormant until you hit that 70-degree level. Then they will start hatching. So this is available by the ton or by the individual bag, and this is not on my website yet, but will be in the future. So if you are interested, you can personally contact me, and I can invoice you on the desired volume you choose. But this is some really high quality stuff here. I just purchased this today, and it's sourced locally in my area. I'm very excited about this. I can also get just strictly pure worm castings from the same people, but this refuge soil is a good amendment for what I'm doing with Riverponics. And so what I will be doing here is adding the refuge soil to compost. This is compost here I sourced locally from a municipality. So I will be combining this compost with the refuge soil, and then I also add this material here called turfus. Let me show you the bag. There's a T right here missing. It's called turfus, and they put this on the athletic fields. But this is great for water retention and aeration in your potting containers, as well as nutrient absorption. Okay, this is the final result here when I mix the two together, or all three components I should say. This is what you get. So I got the compost and the refuge soil with the turfus mixed in here. I could probably actually add a little more turfus. You can see the little chips in there. Now I do amend other organic materials as well, and I can give you an example. I plan on putting a chalkboard in my grow room and getting a little more in depth with the ratios and all that, and I'll probably do the ratio from a wheelbarrow, figure out how many cubic yards are in a wheelbarrow, and then go from there. So there's kelp meal, I got oyster shell, neem seed meal, shrimp meal, I have alfalfa, Epsom salt, bone meal, there's humic, rock dust, gypsum, and the list goes on and on actually. So I will fine tune this eventually and have it down to a science, and then I'll put it on the chalkboard for all of my viewers to kind of see what I'm doing. It's a matter of trial and error and perfecting things you do and try. So this is a combination of what you just seen, of everything. You can kind of see the shrimp meal in there, the white little specks. So very, very nice. I'm excited to give this stuff a try. So there again, if you are interested in this refuge soil, this is some high quality stuff here. This is no joke. So please get in touch with me. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.